Hello friends. A very warm welcome back to Taste of Mountain. Today we are making a hot, healthy, and soul-comforting chicken soup, which is not only delicious in taste but also light on digestion. This soup is perfect for cold weather, helps keep the body warm, and is great for boosting immunity. So let's begin this comforting cooking journey without any delay. First, take a deep wok and add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Heat it on a medium flame. Now add 1 cube of butter and let it melt gently. As the butter melts, you'll start getting a beautiful aroma. Next, add 2 bay leaves, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, and 3 to 4 cloves. Saute lightly so the flavor of the whole spices is released into the oil. Now it's time to add the 300-gram chicken. Here, we are using more bone-in chicken pieces, along with a few meatier pieces as well. Bone-in chicken gives the soup a much richer flavor and better nutrition. Roast the chicken on medium to high flame until it starts getting a light brown color. While roasting in oil and butter, the aroma that comes out is simply mouth-watering. Now add 2 liters of water. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. After slow cooking, this will reduce to about 1 liter of rich, flavorful stock. Keep the flame at medium and let the soup come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This helps in making the soup clear and gives it a professional, clean look. Now remove the foam that forms on the surface as much as possible. This step makes the soup lighter and easier to digest. After about 15 minutes of boiling, check the chicken. Once it is fully cooked, remove all the chicken pieces and keep them aside. Shred the chicken into fine strands. Now strain the chicken stock using a strainer, so that all small bone pieces and whole spices are removed. What we get now is a clear, flavorful chicken stock. Heat the same pan lightly again and add 2 tablespoons of refined oil and 1 cube of butter. Keep the flame low, as butter can burn very quickly. Now add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, and 1 tablespoon chopped green chili. Saute gently on low flame. Next, add 1 medium sliced onion, 1 medium chopped spring onion, 5 to 6 chopped beans, 1 medium chopped carrot, 2 to 3 small chopped mushrooms, and some fresh coriander stems. Stir gently and add salt to taste. Now add 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, and a pinch of turmeric, just for color and health benefits. Mix everything well and add a handful of sweet corn, as per your liking. Look at those vibrant colors, absolutely beautiful. This is what makes the soup so visually appealing. Now pour in the prepared chicken stock and let it come to a boil on medium flame. Once it starts boiling, add the boiled shredded chicken and let it boil again gently. Now mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour with water to make a thin slurry. Slowly add this slurry to the boiling soup while stirring continuously. This will give the soup a light thickness and a restaurant-style texture. For taste and a premium look, beat 1 egg really well. With one hand stirring the soup, slowly pour the egg from a height using the other hand. See how silky and beautiful the texture becomes finally. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and a little chili flakes on top. And there you go, friends. Our delicious, fully loaded, healthy chicken soup is ready. It's rich in taste, light on digestion, and keeps the body warm from within. Serve it hot and fresh, and enjoy this comforting bowl with your loved ones. If you enjoy such soulful and healthy recipes, keep supporting Taste of Mountain.